Hey guys, how's it going? So I am gonna have to postpone my live stream tonight. I don't think I've missed one in about, well, it's been several years, but here's the deal. I should be back tomorrow night, which is Saturday night, and if not, Sunday night, so make sure your notifications are turned on. So as most of you know, I cut grass and do landscaping for a living with a weekly lawn route, and beginning of the week, my Skag Turf Tiger went down. I've had it for 13 years. It's been a good mower, but the left side hydraulic pump completely locked up right in the middle of cutting. Problem is, it was a catastrophic failure. It sent metal into the system. So here I am. It's a big job. I'm replacing both of my hydraulic pumps and wheel motors. Still got to plumb in all my new cooler lines and for the filter housing and all that, but yeah, that's what I'm working on. Slow but steady. I've never done this job before, but I'm learning. And yeah, you can see the new hydraulic pump there, wheel motor there, just all kinds of stuff everywhere. It might not sound like a big job, but if you've ever done it before, you know. If you've not done it before, it might surprise you. So yeah, I'll be back soon. I have more regular video content that is on the way as well. And I hate to miss a live stream, but I've got to keep working on this. Normally, you know, Friday's a big lawn mowing day for me, as well as Saturday, Sunday. I don't know, man. So if you all are into praying, pray that I get this done. I'm trying to stay focused. It's just a lot of work. And I do definitely want to hang out with you all, but I need to kind of keep working on this right now. And I'll probably be working on to it well into the night. If I can get everything put back together by tomorrow afternoon, that's my goal, tomorrow evening. I'd love to do a live stream then. That's Saturday. If not, maybe Sunday, if I can't do it tomorrow night. And then I'll also probably do a local stream right afterwards. We'll do like a 50-50 split, so we can hang out in both places. But yeah, man, here I am, and I will see you all again very soon. All right, thanks for watching, and have a good one. And thank you to all the supporters on the YouTube channel. Like I said, plenty of content to come. This is how I actually feed my family right here. I just have to fix this, so I hope you all understand.